First up, board games or card games. Nothing spells family time like gathering around the table for some friendly competition. Whether it's a classic like Monopoly or a fast-paced card game, it's all about the laughs and banter that fill the room. Next on the list, a movie or TV show marathon. Choose a favorite series or film, pop some popcorn, and nestle into the couch for a cozy day in front of the screen. How about cooking or baking together? Roll up those sleeves and get everyone involved in the kitchen. It's not only a fun way to spend time together, but there's also the promise of a delicious treat at the end. Ever thought of an indoor picnic? Lay a blanket in the living room, whip up some finger food, and voila! You have a novel and enjoyable way to dine together. Feeling creative? Try arts and crafts. Whether it's painting, drawing, DIY crafts, or home decorations, it's a chance to let those creative juices flow. And then there's puzzle time. Team up to tackle a jigsaw puzzle. It's a fun way to stimulate the mind and encourage teamwork. Why not make time for reading? Choose a few books, create a cozy reading nook, and immerse yourselves in different worlds. Take turns reading aloud or enjoy the quiet of individual reading. Digging into the past can also be fun. Spend some time going through old family photo albums or organizing digital photos. You might even stumble upon some forgotten memories. Up for some competitive fun? How about a video or board game tournament? Draw up a bracket and battle it out for family bragging rights. And who says learning can't be fun? There are plenty of educational games and apps that combine fun with learning. Choose age-appropriate games and watch as everyone brushes up on their skills. For the adventurous, why not build a fort? Use blankets, pillows, and furniture to create your fortress. Once it's built, you can play games, hang out, or even have a mini movie night inside. And last but not least, DIY science experiments. Find simple and safe experiments to do at home. It's a great way to learn and explore together. So, there you have it. A list of indoor activities that are sure to keep everyone entertained on a rainy day. Remember, it's all about spending quality time together and making the most of the day. Why not give these a whirl the next time the raindrops start to fall?